I have to find a dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. I have written dy by dt. Dy by dt is minus 3 cos square t into cos 2t into sin t plus sin 2t into cos cube t by root of cos 2t into cos 2t. I just copied on what is dy by dt and similarly dx by dt. What about the denominator? Here the denominator as numerator's denominator is cos root of cos 2t into cos t. Denominator's also root of cos 2t into cos t. What can we do? We can cancel this term. Okay, so the numerator of the numerator and numerator of the denominator remains. Again, we have to simplify. To simplify, we are going to apply three trigonometric formulas. The trigonometric formulas we are going to apply is cos 2t is equal to 2 cos square t minus 1. This we will apply for the wherever cos 2t is there in the numerator. In the numerator and also in the denominator cos 2t is there. But we will apply this formula only in the numerator. Why? Because here the cos terms are more compared to the sin terms. Again, there is another formula for cos 2t. Cos 2t is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square t. This formula we will apply in the denominators cos 2t. Here the denominator also contains cos 2t. Here we will apply this formula 1 minus 2 sin square t. We have one more formula to apply. Sin 2t is equal to 2 sin t into cos t. So don't get confused. In the numerator we are applying cos 2t as 2 cos square t minus 1. In the denominator we are applying cos 2t as 1 minus 2 sin square t. And wherever sin 2t is there, we will give the value 2 sin t cos t. Okay, don't get confused, and that is just a simplification process. So minus 3 cos square t remains the same, and instead of cos 2t, what we have to do in the numerator, give 2 cos square t minus 1. So 2 cos square t minus 1 into sin t plus, here sin 2t is there in the numerator, so we will apply 2 sin t into cos t into cos cube t remains the same, divided by, again, what we will do with the denominator, 3 is the same, cos t is the same, sin square t is the same. Instead of cos 2t, which is the formula we are going to apply, 1 minus 2 sin square t. So apply the formula 1 minus 2 sin square t plus sin cube t has no change, and instead of this sin 2t, again apply the formula 2 sin t cos t. Cos t, and again there is only simplification procedure, so just open the bracket, minus 3 cos square t into 2 cos t cos square t into sin t. So 3 into 2 gives you minus 6. Cos square t into cos square t gives you cos raised to 4t, and again a sin t we have to multiply, so sin t. The next step, negative into negative will give you positive, 3 into 1 will give you 3. Cos square t into the sin t also need to be multiplied. So 3 cos square t into sin t gives you 3 cos square t sin t. Plus, what about this term? This is cos cube t into cos t, isn't it? Cos cube t into cos t is cos raised to 1t. So 3 plus 1, 4. So this term is 2 sin t into cos raised to 4t divided by, what about the denominator? Here also open the brackets. So 3 cos t into sin square t into 1 gives you 3 cos t into sin square t itself. And again 3 cos t into sin square t into minus 2 sin square t gives you minus 3 into 2 is 6. Cos t is only one term, single term. Sin square t into sin square t is there, so it will give you sin raised to 4t. Again, what about the next term? Plus 2 is a constant. Sin cube t is there, sin t. Sin t means it is sin raised to 1t. So again 3 plus 1, 4. So 2 sin raised to 4t into cos t. Again look, there are similar term, minus 6 cos raised to 4t into sin t, and here 2 sin t into cos raised to 4t. Cos raised to 4t sin t, cos raised to 4t sin t. So we can simplify, minus 6 and 2 will give you minus 4 cos raised to 4t into sin t, plus the other term remains the same, 3 cos square t into sin t divided by, denominator also contain like terms, minus 6 cos t into sin raised to 4t plus 2 sin raised to 4t into cos t, sin raised to 4t cos t, sin raised to 4t cos t. So minus 6 plus 2 gives you minus 4 cos t into sin raised to 4t plus 3 cos t into sin square t. Again what we will do is, we will take a cos t sin t as common from these two terms. If I take cos t sin t common, I am going to write the positive term first. If I am taking cos t sin t from this term, what is the balance? 3 cos t minus, what about this term? 4 cos cube t, isn't it? Divided by, in the denominator also I am taking cos t sin t as common. So what about this term? Positive term we will write first. So here I took cos t sin t outside. So the balance is 3 sin t minus, from here cos t came outside, sin raised to 4t is there. 3 sin t's came outside, so the balance is, 1 sin t came outside, so the balance is 4 sin cube t. So again what we can do, cos sin t get cancelled, cos t get cancelled. Here the formula, we have yet another formula. The next formula, 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t is equal to cos 3t. And again 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t is equal to sin 3t. How many formulas? We are just applying for one question. So by heart all the formulas. 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t is cos 3t. So what we are getting in the numerator is 3 cos t minus 4 cos cube t. Actually in the formula we need a cos cube t as positive and cos t as negative. But what we got is cos cube t as negative and cos t as positive. So what will be the numerator? Minus cos 3t divided by, the denominator is the same, 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. We can write the formula as sin 3t. Okay, cos 3t by sin 3t gives you cot 3t, and there is a negative also. So the answer is, final answer is minus 3 cot 3 minus cot 3t minus cot 3t.